Introducing the Calphalon Coffee Maker, a programmable coffee machine with a glass carafe and a capacity of 14 cups. This coffee maker is designed to perfection, ensuring the ideal brewing temperature between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit, thanks to its high-performance heater and dual-insulated heating tube. Experience the ultimate flavor extraction with its enlarged showerhead, evenly dispersing water and saturating the coffee grounds for optimal taste. Customize your brew according to your preferences. Go for a stronger and bolder cup with the strong brew option, or brew a smaller batch with the 1 to 4 cup option. The expertly crafted warming plate made of durable and corrosion-resistant aluminum allows you to control the temperature with low, medium, or high heat settings, keeping your coffee warm and your coffee maker looking brand new for years to come. Never worry about forgetting to turn off the machine again, as the Calphalon Coffee Maker is fully programmable. Utilize the Brew Later feature to set up your brewing in advance, and choose when the machine turns off with the auto-off timer selector. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Before purchasing, please ensure compatibility with your destination. Step up your coffee game with the Calphalon 14-cup programmable coffee maker, where style meets functionality for the perfect cup of coffee every time.